Evening, everyone. So, if you are targeting the 1 year MBA programs in India, there's one more program that you need to know about. This is the IIM Mumbai 1 year MBA program, which is called the VLFM program. Now, let's discover what this program is all about. This is a program which is targeted towards manufacturing industry. So, if you have worked in the manufacturing industry, then this is a good program for you. This program is conducted by IIM Mumbai as well as IIT Delhi. So they have come together to bring this program for the 1 year residential format. Who can sign up for this program? So you can enroll in this program if you have anywhere from 4 to 10 years of work experience. So the minimum work experience that you need to have is 4 years and you need to have a degree in technology. So you to apply to the IIM Mumbai 1 year MBA program. The curriculum of this program has a combination of a lot of things, which includes international immersion, it includes practical exposure as well as internships. And the fee for this program is around 16.32 lakhs. This does not include the fee for the international travel. And what about the deadlines? The application portal is now open. It opened on November 4th, 2024. And the deadline to apply to this program is 31st of January 2025. Beyond that, you'll have a personal interview, you'll have interview calls coming in, and an aptitude test. So, this is what the process is like. And along with the online application, you have to submit an SOP along with two letters of recommendation. So, if you're someone who has prior background in the Indian manufacturing sector and is looking at developing your career in the same sector, then the IIM Mumbai 1 year MBA program is definitely the program for you. So go ahead, start with your application, and in case you need any application assistance or interview prep with respect to the 1 year MBA program offered by IIM Mumbai, feel free to get in touch with us. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates on 1 year MBA programs in India, internationally, as well as the global masters in MBA programs.